We are delighted to have been appointed the sole UK importer and distributor of Gedik welding products in the UK. Gedik is a family business established in Istanbul in 1963 under the Bowler brand by Halil Kayar Gedik, and still running a family-managed business led by Chair Hülya Gedik. With 57 years manufacturing experience and supplying over 90 countries worldwide under its internationally registered trademark name Geka, Gedik offer a pure quality European manufactured range of welding electrodes, welding wires, TIG and brazing rods, welding ovens and abrasives. Gedik is one of Europe's largest manufacturers, producing over 100,000 tons of materials per year. In 2010, Halil Kayar Gedik opened the Istanbul Gedik University. This facility educates students with distinguished, sustainable and applied education programs. Istanbul Gedik University became an innovative, distinctive, value-producing and perfectionist university. Other recent projects include Radio Gedik, the first corporate internet radio project in Turkey, combining Gedik's fields of business activity like industry and education on a unique platform. Gedik Health, operating under Gedik Holding, offers new and delicious alternatives for healthy life and healthy nutrition. We understand the importance of bringing to the market a competitive, superior product manufactured with the highest quality materials. We look forward to our partnership with Gedik Holding.